Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to check your slide seals. So first thing you do every time you open up this unit or close this unit, the first thing you want to do is make sure that these seals going up here, along the bottom, and along the top here, you want to make sure all those seals are free of any debris. The top one's really bad for getting sticks and such from trees above you. You want to make sure that's all crystal clean, because once you run this thing in, you do have the chance of ripping those seals, and if there are sticks and stuff like that jammed inside of those, once you do get these closed, there still is a chance for water to make its way in. Water is not your friend. So what you want to do is you want to check these seals top to bottom all the way around the whole entire slide. So you pull them open like this, check to make sure they're nice and pliable. Now also another thing you want to check for is cracks. If these start to get brittle, they don't work anymore. So what you can do, generally about once, twice a year, you can condition these. They make a spray-on conditioner that keeps these nice pliable and this rubber real soft. So what you do, spray it on, wipe it off, good to go. So like I said here, you do have these seals all the way around the unit, including the bottom. So make sure you check this bottom seal. You know, stuff can still get in there. Nice and pliable, as you can see. This is a new unit, so this is still a nice rubber. So just make sure you check all these seals. Now you do have these seals on all outside slides, no matter what. So the outside of the unit, no matter what unit you have, is going to have these. Now on the inside of the unit, not all makes and models have these seals, but a lot of them do have them on the inside as well. So make sure you check those as well. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call at 877-877-4494.